Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your account from Dazn app. If you already have an account on Dazn, basically Dazn is like a platform on which you can watch different type of entertainment things, which includes movies and different live channels. For example, you can watch MMA fights or NFL plays or things like this. As you can see at the top, you should be able to find all of these. Once you created your account on NFL, and if you want to delete that account, it's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow our steps. The first thing you need to do is log into your specific account that you want to delete on Dazn and make sure that you logged into your specific account that you want to delete. After that, at the very top right, you should be able to find your profile. Just simply tap on it and this interface will appear. Scroll down and you should be able to find settings. Simply tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, this interface will appear in which save data and privacy cookie preferences, and at the very bottom you should be able to find account settings. Simply tap on account settings, and once you tap on account settings, you will get the option of delete account. Keep in mind that there is no such option of deactivation of Dazn account. So once you delete it, you delete your account permanently on Dazn, and that is how you can delete your account on Dazn. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials like this. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.